Alright, so number 5 question, develop a C++ program, display a length. Alright, length, is the what? Base and height of a right triangle, and you get the hypotenuse back. Okay, so for this program, we need to get input. When we get input here, I need two input. One is base, one is height. So instead of use function return value can only return 1. So instead of that, I'm going to use void. Okay, get input. And so I am just going to create the address for base. So I'm going to say double and the address for the base, and double and the address for the height. So now once I finish that, we just create the address for both the main function and the sub function to use together. Alright, so I close this right now. Then when I get input here, I'm going to copy all these things here. Control X. I'm going to put right here. And now remember it's B right now, so use B. Remember it's H right now, so it's H. But here, B and H. B is base. You understand? H is high. Alright, so you say get input. You say that, and you pass base and height. You pass like that. But the base pass to B, so B pass the address to base. It tell base where to get the value. That's the same address. It tell height where to get the H. Okay, we got that right now. And then we're going to do this hypotenuse. Is that right? So the hypotenuse here is you can get return 1 value. So return 1 value, we just usually use function return. I'm just going to get hypo. It's okay. And of course I need to pass base B and the height. And here I don't need you return it back, so I pass by value. Okay, and I'm going to create my definition, and I usually close it, so I have a natural 4 here, and what I'm going to return is this. I'm going to return this. Is okay, but here, over here is called B now, so make sure it's called B. Over here is called H right now, so we're just going to return that. And here we are going to say your hypo is not going to calculate directly, because that create a potential to bring damage to your program. Instead, I will use a function call. So get hypo here, and I pass base and I pass high into it. Alright, so now I'm just going to display. The hypotenuse, right? And I'm just going to void display and double H hypotenuse H. Okay, fine, H is fine. All right. Let me call HYPO. HYPO. Okay, because I don't want to a bunch of deal with BLE. I have typo 2. Remember, see here. All right, so I got this right now. Okay, now I'm going to copy the thing here. Sorry. Oh, no copy. I'm just going to create my definition. Is that okay? So my definition is just copy this line here and Control X and put right here. Okay, but it's called hypo. It's called that's fine, hypo. Okay, now I am just going to say display. It's okay. Now I have all function call right now. Let me run the program right here, build it. Rebuild it. All right, start without debugging. Let's pick up easy number. The number probably let's pick 6 and 8. I know that will be 10, okay? That's 10. All right, so this is your number 5 program. I make it to be a function call. This will reduce the potential for other programmer or user to destroy your program because everything become function call right now.